Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear students. How are you? Hope you are safe and well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Today, our 8 number class. So, let's start. Where are we? Yes, we were chapter 7. Yes, chapter 7, decimal fraction, and we have already completed multiplication by multiplication by integers, multiplication by tens, multiplication by integers, multiplication by tens, and also division by integers and division by tens. Today we are going to learn some new topics, that is multiplication by decimal numbers of fraction, division by decimal numbers of fraction. Division multiplication by decimal number means here you can see 3.2, right? 3.2. Look here, 3.2 into 1.24. I mean, this is our decimal fraction multiplied by decimal fraction or number. Just I said multiplication by decimal number or fraction. Look here, we are not going to waste time. Well, here we are. Yes, page number 87. You can see number 2. We are going to start from number 2. Number 1 is easy for you. You can solve it by yourself. But now I am going to show you number 2. 2 here to 5. 1.24 into 0.25. How I solve it? Look here. 1.24 into 0.25 equal to 0. Whatever the results. First look here. Here 1.24 into 0.25. You have to do the multiplication vertically like my way. Other way it will there will be a chance of mistake. The 1.24 into 0.25. First, just forget the forget the decimal. Multiple easy. Normally, then 5 4 the 20 carrying 2. 5 2 the 10 to 12 carrying 1. 5 1 the 5 or 1 6. Then 1 digit left. Start from here. 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2, 0 0, 8 2 the 10, 0 carrying 1, 4 6 10 plus 1 11, 11 1 carrying 1 2 and 1 3. Why should I put the decimal here at the last? Now come to the point. Here before in the multiplicand there is decimal. The point about decimal is before 2 digit 1 2 4 2, then decimal before 2 digit, and in the multiplier also the decimal is before 2 digit 1 2 5 2 4, then so that total number of decimal you can number of digit count 1 2 3 4. I mean before 4 digit the decimal is coming. So you can see here the answer is 3100. So how many digit? 1 2 3 4. Then I put decimal here. I think it is clear to you. So you have to count the decimal for in the multiplicand number also, as well as the multiplier number. So here before 2 digit, here before 2 digit, totally 4 digit. So I put the decimal before 4 digit. So the answer will be 0.3100. And I said after the decimal, if there is no integer number or natural numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then the 0 has no value. So I just write 0.31. I think it is clear to you now. Okay, let's start. I'm going to show another problem. Just a number 12. 28 into 0.325. Here integer number 28 and the fraction is 0.325. Look here, I wrote here 28 into 0.325. But if you say, sir, why have you write first in this multiplication? Why don't you write here? To multiply easily, I first write here. We know that if we multiply 28 by 0.325, or if we multiply 0.325 by 28, the result will be same, right? If you multiply 3 into 4, look here, 3 into 4, how much? 12. But if you write 4 into 3, that will also 12. I mean, if they change the place, the multiplier and multiplier, the result will be, the product will be same. So I wrote that here so that it will be easy for us. 8 5s are 40, carrying how much? 4. 8 2s are 16, 4 20, 20 0, carrying 2. 8 3s are 24, 2 26, carrying 2. So 8 0 is carrying 2. 8 0 0 2 2. So left one digit. Then 2 5 10. 2 5s are 10, carrying 1. 2 2s are 4 or 1 5. 2 3s are 6. Now edit 0 0 5 6 11, 1, carrying 1, 6 2 8 or 1 9. So here we can see only in the multiplicand there are decimal and there is no decimal, so we have to count this decimal just. So before how many digit? 1 2 3. So we have to put the decimal 1 2 3 here, right? Here we have to put decimal here. So you can see 9.100. So I write the answer 9.1. You know that the result has no, that 0 has no value, just 9.1. Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to show you some words problem. Number 6. Okay, let's see. Number 6. A rectangular land has the width of 4.75 meters and the length of 12.8 meters. Find the area of this land. First you have to write width of the land. Given width of the land is 4.75 meter, length of the land is 12.8 meter. Then we know area of rectangular land equal to length into width is square unit, equal to length is given 12.8 and width is given 4.75 is square meter. Unit means the certain units. There will be centimeter, there will be millimeter. Just here is given meter, so I write square meter. So I multiply here as the same I have taught you. Just so I found that 60.800 square meter. So answer should be 60.8 square meter. I'm extremely sorry. Here will be what? Square meter. Okay. If you don't write square meter, the answer whole problem will be cut it and there will be no marks, because always remember the area expressed in square units. Always remember, and that area should be will be maybe a square land or rectangular land or whatever, parallel, it doesn't matter. Then come to 7 number. Reja's weight is 36.5 kg and his younger brothers and his father's weight are 0.8 times and 1.6 times of his weight respectively. Find his brothers and his father's weight. You can see here is only given the Reja's weight 36.5 kg, Reja's weight given, and other things is times given. Like if you say if I say that you have 10 taka but your elder brother has 2 times of your taka. So 2 times means you have to multiply with your money. You have 10 taka, so your brothers have 10 into 20 taka. Just like that. So his younger brother has how many times? 0.8 times, and his father, next one, accordingly respectively yathakrame. So his father's 1.6 times. So you have to multiply. Just here first of all given Reja's weight is 36.5 kg. Now Reja's, I write Reja's younger brother's weight is 0.8 times of Reja's weight. I just mentioned the name. So younger brother's weight is 36.5 means is a Reja's weight into 0.6 times. Just I said. So I found that 29.2 kg. Already found that younger brother's weight 29.2 kg. As the same things, Reja's father's weight is 1.6 times of Reja's weight. So Reja's father Reza's father's weight is 36.5 into 1.6 kg. So you can see, just multiply here 58.4 or 40 kg. So younger brother's weight is 29.2 kg and father's weight is 58.4 kg. I hope it is clear to you now. Okay, students, now we are going to divide division by decimal number of fraction. You can see number 82, 3 divided 0.25 equal to 3 into 25 into what will come? What do you say? We have to free the divisor. We have to free the divisor. We have to free the decimal, the divisor. If you want to free the divisor from decimal, then here 0.25, and how much I have to multiply here. Always remember, for this decimal take 1, right? For this decimal take 1, and after the decimal how many digit? 1 2 2 5 2 0, take 2 0. Thus we can put the value. So here will become 3 divided 25 into 100. There are other things also easy. 2 divided 1.6, 2 divided 6. Here the decimal, for decimal you have to write 1, and for after the decimal there is 1 digit, so you have to write 0. 10. You will solve it by yourself, no problem. I know you can solve it. So now number 10, divide. You can see divide 5.6 divided 0.08. So you can see 10, number 10, 5.6 divided 0.08. So 5.6, how much should I multiply? I said you don't have to worry about that. You have to worry about this divisor. Always free the divisor from decimal. How? So first you have to think that here is a decimal. For decimal you have to write here 1. What? 1, right? You have to write 1, and after the decimal how many digit? 0 8, 2 digit, right? Then you can write 20. 100, you multiply it is by 100. So you must have to multiply this one also with 100, by 100, sorry. So why? You have to first will find these hundreds or tenths number or zeros numbers from according to our divisor. Always things according to divisor. We don't worry about that. Whatever it is, doesn't matter. So 0.08. So it is, for decimal there will be 1, and after the decimal there is 2 digit. So 2 digit 0. Now if I multiply here, it is external. Look here, 0.08 into 100 কত আসবে দেখো 8. We know that 800 কত, how much? 800, right? Then before how many digits the decimal is? 1 2 2 digit. Look here, 1 2. If I put decimal here, then we know that after the 0 after the decimal, if there is no integer number or other numbers, so it has no value. What will come? Only 8 will come, right? Only 8 will come. Decimal will vanished or removed. Look here, 8, and here 560. How 560 come? So look here, if I multiply 5.6 into how much? 100, then it will be 5600, right? We know 0 multiplication, just put the 0, and before how many digit? The decimal are 1 digit, right? 5 point is before 6, so here will be 1 digit. Before 1 digit, you can see here, so it is 560.0. so the 0 has no value, last 0, so it is 560 divided 8. I just show you 560 divided 8, so it is come 70. It is come 70 answer. I think it is clear now. Maybe it is difficult sometimes, but just be attentive to my lecture, and I have shown you all details. So I hope it is easy to you now. Let's start the next one. Well, number 11.6, 4.05 divided 0.018. Look here, I didn't write anything. I left it blank so that I can make you understand. here as I said is for this decimal we have to free decimal, we have to free the divisor from decimal. So we have to first write here, not here, here, sorry. For the decimal there will be 1, right? 1, and after the decimal this how many digit? 1 2 3, 3 digit, 1 2 3 digits. So I write how much? 1000 to free the divisor from decimal. And so that I write here 1000, I must have to write 1000 here also. So look here at 1000, then the decimal will free, divisor will free from decimal. It will be 18, just the number, whole number has come. You can multiply just like that, this way. I have showed you. So just follow at home and try yourself and you will understand. If once you understand, it will be easy for you. So here also come 4050, just multiply and put the decimal and the result will come 4050 divided 18. Now there is no decimal and now it is easy to divide. Again 5.1 divided 0.025. You can see here also how much should I put for this decimal. I put here 1 and there is 3 digit after the decimal, so there is 30. So here also I have to put 1000. So you can see 5100 divided 25 equal to 2004. I show the rough here also. You can see now it is easy to divide. So page number here some words problem you can see number 13. A car has traveled 114.5 kilometers in 2.5 hours. How many kilometers did it travel in 1 hour? So it's, I think it is now it is easy to understand for you that in 2.5 hours a car has traveled 114.5 kilometer. I mean, so I have to find out the 1 hour 1 hour distance is how much distance the car passed in 1 hour. So first of all, it's just easy. In 2.5 hours car has traveled 114.5 kilometers. So in 1 hour, just 1 hour, we know if you find out 1 hour, so we have to divide, and whatever we try to find out we have to write in the right side in the words problem. So 114.5 divided 2.5. First I free the decimal, the divisor from the yes, here for decimal is I put 1 and after the decimal there is 1 digit, so I put 10. 2.5 into 10, the decimal will remove in the next line, and you can see so that I here I multiply here 10, so it is also multiple of 10. So 1145 divided 25. So I show the rough here, and it is 45.8 kilometer traveled per hour or 1 hour. So you can see number 14. A rectangular land has an area 720 square meter. Look here in the previous page, a rectangular land, what was given? Width given, and what given? Length given, right? They are asking for finding the area, but in the division problem you can see here is given area and width, and you have to find the length of this land. On that solution we multiply, and but here area of rectangular land is 7029 square meter and width is 22.5 square meter. So you can see, we know first of all we know area, length of the rectangular land equal to area divided width. Here will be just simple unit. Please forgive me that here is overwriting, and I was in hurry, so that happened. Sorry for that. Length of the rectangular length equal to area divided width. Here will become unit. If you want to find out length or width, that will be normal unit, and if you find the area, you want to find the area, there will be square unit. So we know we have to put the value. So we know area equal to 729 divided here width equal to 22.5 meter. So we have to free the decimal, the divisor, 22.5 into 10 here also, so that I put 10 is here. Therefore that for the decimal I write 1, and after the decimal there is 1 digit, so I put 10. So 10, so I have to write 10 also here. So you can see 7029 divided 225, and I show the rough here, 32.4 meter. Answer 32.4 meter. What? Length of the rectangular length. So it is the ending of the class, and this class duration is maybe 20 minutes or something, but I think it is very fruitful for you. You can solve all the problems of the decimal fractions. Homework number 8, book page 87 to 811, what's problem 6-7, and book page 88 10-3 11-7-9, what's problem 13-14. And moreover, I'm going to say that one thing, that if you don't understand any problem, please ask me in my personal ID, or show me, and then I will help you. Sometimes I cannot check your copies properly because of this online system or internet problem, but if you knock me, sir, I have a problem in this number, I will show you how to solve it. Okay, thank you very much. Stay at home, stay safe. See you in the next class. Goodbye.